Everyone, today we are going to do the unboxing for Insta360 X5 camera. So in this box we have Insta360 X5 camera, 114 centimeter invisible selfie stick, extra battery, 256 GB memory card, lens cap, USB type C cable, lens cloth, protective pouch, and we have a quick start guide and a warranty card. So basically this is a 8K 360-degree videos camera, and it has a triple AI chip for superior low light and waterproof with 49 feet, almost 15 meters of the depth. So now we are going to open the camera. So over here they have written please tear here. So let's unwrap the box and see what's inside. So now it's the time to do the unboxing of Insta360 X5 8K 360 action camera. So the box is unique. So what we get inside the box is a spare battery for Insta360 X5 camera to record the videos without any trouble. We have a 256 gigabytes of memory card to record the videos, and we have a lens cap to protect the camera. Despite of the fact we have an invisible selfie stick to record the video. Of course, this will take your content creation to the next level. So again, we have a look on the box with the memory card, selfie stick, lens cap, and a battery.
Get ready for a 360-degree experience like no other. In this video, we're diving deep into the Insta360 X5 camera, exploring its features, specs, and capabilities. From stunning 7K 360-degree video to advanced stabilization and AR-powered editing, we'll show you what this camera can do. Watch till the end for sample footage and to see if the Insta360 X5 is the right camera for you.
This lens cover is designed to protect your camera from dust, damage, and scratches. So without wasting much time, let's open the case of a battery. It has a small packaging, and there are some safety guidelines to use it. There is one more manual for the battery. So the key features of this battery is you can get more recording time with the extra battery, perfect for long shoots or extra adventures. You can easily swap the batteries, keep recording without any interruption. So all in all, I like this camera and I have recorded some videos. Let's see the videos.